The phases of the moon. As we know, shape of the moon changes from night to night. There are two phases of the moon. Number one, wax. Number two, wane. Number one phase, new moon to full moon is set the wax. In this phase, this visible portion of the moon is increased. Number two phase, the full moon to new moon is said wane. In second phase, the visible portion of the moon is decreased. On the new moon day, the dark hemisphere of the moon faces the earth, whereas on the full moon day, the bright hemisphere is visible to us. Asteroids. Asteroids are small planets like solid objects found in the solar system. They are called planetoids or minor planets. Each asteroid follows its own orbit around the Sun. The main belt, which has billions of asteroids, lies between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. This belt stretches from about 250 million to 600 million kilometers from the Sun. It is now widely believed that asteroids are broken pieces of some planet which probably exploded soon after its birth. Meteors. Every night we see some bright streaks of light in the sky. These called meteors. They are also known as shooting stars. Meteors are small pieces of rocks revolving around the sun. The presence of meteors in the sky is known only when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Most of them burn up and become gases. Some of them are big and thus are not burnt up completely. When they hit the surface of the earth, they are called the meteorites. A well known site in the meteor's crater in Arizona state in the United States of America. Next is comets. It is believed that there are about 200 crore comets orbiting the sun. Comets are huge lumps of snow and rocky dust. Each comet follows its own orbit around the sun. When comets reach near the sun, they start glowing and develop a long tail. The most famous comet is the Halley's Comet. It was last seen in 1986. It will appear again after 76 years, means in 2062. Next is constellations. The constellations are groups of bright stars in the sky. People of ancient civilizations attributed figures of animals, people, and mythical beasts of these groups. In ancient days, the constellations were believed to influence the daily life of the people on earth. They were used as a guide for planting and harvesting crops and slaughtering animals. The most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi, which is a group of seven stars. In ancient times, people used to find the north direction with the help of stars. The pole star indicates the north. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarishi. This is the figure of Saptarishi. We can see at the night in the sky, and here is the pole star in the north of the last star of the Saptarishi. And these are the another bodies, another constellations